Hi, my name is Lokesh. So I searched on Google regarding the mobile repairing course. My experience so far really good. I've completed my course within 5 days. I learned all the repairs like mobile, iPad, Android, everything.
Something I could have done much better? Honestly, you can tell me.
My own feedback is you've given more than what I expected. I mean, like, you're very free in terms of sharing all your knowledge. I didn't find you holding some knowledge during the course. I think practical hands-on approach really helped me, and I think that's what I needed.
He was like very professional and he gave all the time to me.
I highly recommend the professor.
I know you are a beginner, you're gonna start something new, but one day I was a beginner too. So if I'm to this level, you're gonna be on this level as well.